Hi, Jerome here in Boise, Idaho. Do you want to start an online business? Are you a beginner? That is a great place to be. So, I am a small business coach and I help people start businesses. So, if you're looking for number one, an online business, number two, you are a beginner, which is fantastic, and number three, you want help, then down below put yes. So I am going to send you two things. I'm going to send you a blueprint so you can see our business, number one. Number two, I'm going to send you a short little video on our business so you can see the details. And the third part is probably the best part, and that is we have a wonderful community here to help you. Not only do you have me as a business coach, especially a startup business coach, but you've got a full, complete business that is incredibly inexpensive. I guarantee that to you. It's so inexpensive. So down below, put yes. And by the way, if you are over 50, I hope you are, put your age if you don't mind, because I'm 71. And I'm focusing on helping people 40, 50, 60, even 70 and 80 start an online business. We made $2,700 our first week. We've made about $34,000 now in the last few months, because an online business means you have flexibility. And if you're a beginner, that's fantastic, because this program, this course is designed for somebody like you, like I was just a few months ago, with zero knowledge of social media, of email automation, of social media marketing, which you can do at no cost. So down below, please put yes. I'll get you the information. I'll send you my link. I'll add my link so you can take a look at that and go right there. You put your email in, you're going to get the blueprint, you're going to get the first video, and this is something you can start this week. If you are serious about more income, if you are serious about getting help, if you're serious about having a community, then this is the place to be, because you have all three of those as support. And the bonus, of course, is you have me as well. And that's what I love to do. I love to help people start businesses. I love to have impact in lives where people want to start something great and ongoing, and to help you, to help your family. So down below, put yes. I'll get you the information today, I promise. And then I'll see you on the inside.